Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to release funds that are put on hold in your PayPal account. So first I would like to explain why is it possible that this would be happening, and there are a couple of reasons for that. And the first one being that you're probably a first-time seller here on PayPal, or you haven't sold in a while, multiple customers filed for a refund, dispute, or chargeback, your selling pattern seems unusual, or you are selling higher risk items. Now, there's a couple of things that you can do to speed this process up. And the first one being is printing a Royal Mail shipping label one day after delivery. And this will, you can do this right from your PayPal account, and this will automatically update your tracking information and delivery confirmation. Now, the other thing that you can do is add tracking information. And what you need to do is upload a supported carrier's tracking number. PayPal will release the payment within 3 days of the carrier confirming the delivery. So all of these things that are things that could help speed that process up. But if there is any sort of problem that might appear, or PayPal is still unsure about the funds, they will appear after 21 days of doing these actions. So they can hold them up for up to 21 days, and after that, they will release them into your account. So that is all. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, hit that like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.